Hello everyone, today on Jurassic Pork we're going to be making chicken quarters on the Weber 22-inch charcoal grill. Stay tuned. Today we're using just regular chicken leg quarters right from the store. Just picked them up, so we'll see how well they look. Those look pretty good. We might do a little bit of trimming on them just to get some extra fat off.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Bodie. I'll go inside and grab a knife and be right back. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and trim up some of this fat that's on these. If they got any big clobs of fat on them, I like to just cut them off. Like this piece here. Don't really need it. Take it off. Makes you feel like you're eating a little healthier too. This piece here, all fat. I'm sure the dog will like to eat that piece anyway. That fat's not going to render down, so it's best just to get rid of it. There. I think that's pretty good. We'll go ahead and get these seasoned up and on the smoker, or on the Weber, as soon as we are all up to temp. Today I'm cheating. I'm not using olive oil or any other oil. I'm just going to spray them with Pam just to hold the seasonings on. Today's seasoning we're using McCormick's Himalayan pink salt with black pepper and garlic. Really good on chicken. I always like to do the back side of these first before I do the other side, just because I'll be laying them down, this side down, so once I flip them, that'll be how they're going on the grill today. Go ahead and give this side a coat. And same thing with this. Actually, I'm going to leave one of them not seasoned on the top. There we go. Real quick and easy. Alright, now that our coals are all ashed over, I like to just get this out of the way so I can make sure I get them in the basket. Just makes it for easier cleanup later on. Some people put foil under that little piece or something, but I don't like to, because I like to get the airflow that goes all the way through. But it works good. Keeping them all in here makes cleanup a lot easier. Just grab it out and all done. Bottom vent is wide open, so I'll go ahead and get those in there now. Maybe. A little more than a full basket full, but it'll work perfect. Added some apple wood to it for a little smoke flavor for these chickens. I think it'll turn out perfect. Alright, time to get these chickens on there. A little indirect heat cooking today. Gotta love it. Be a good dinner, and whatever's left over will be a good lunch. Go ahead and get the lid on. Make sure the vent is open.
We're gonna take the chicken legs to around 175 degrees.
I'm going to do a quick temp check on this chicken right now. See where it's sitting. Oh, that looks yummy. That's sitting around 147, 150, 161, 160. 180s. A little bit longer. I'm going to pull them at about 170, 175 degrees. Alright, let's give these another temp check. Did move them around a little bit. That one's good. That one's good. Oh yeah, they're all looking good. How's that look, buddy?
Good.
Good.
Which ones?
There they are.
No, this one and this one.
They all look really good. Which one you guys want? You want that one, Bodie?
Yeah. I want
This one don't have much seasoning on it. You want that one?
I want this one.
All
I
right.
want to eat the inside. Yummy inside. The inside tastes yummy.
Let's just see how juicy this is. Oh, that is very juicy. I don't know if you can see it there. It's coming right out of it. That looks really good. Very juicy. Gonna be good, isn't it, boys?
Yeah. Yeah. You know one thing about Remy? She always destroys our video when she barks.
Yeah, she likes to bark.
She does this. I need to get it.
All right, boys, how's it taste?
Okay, I'm gonna try the thigh. What's this? It's good and it's really juicy.
You're eating part of the thigh too, buddy.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the thigh. It's really good and it's really juicy.
Well, there you have it.
Well, he likes to say everything I say.
Professional taste testers. It is good. And this is John, Bodie, and Lucas with Jurassic Pork. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. God bless.